Dia marah loh.
Buset.
Kalian mau kita awetin nggak?
Sabar jadi tarik.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys.
We are from group 2. We'll carry out about animal sampling and preservation. The sampling location will be carried out at the rice field behind the research lab. Before that, we introduce our member.
My name is Taufan Yuda. My name B1D023007.
And my name is Dewi Maryanti with student ID B1B02300H.
My name is Andika Muhammad Hekal with student ID B1B23009.
My name is Danisha Asano Amalia with student ID B1B023011.
And my name is Dina Fauzina Nifa with student ID B1B0230012.
Let's go!
Reptiles with characteristic life on land and in water. Its body structure is scaly, cold-blooded, vertebrate, and reproduce with oviparous or some ovoviviparous. Insecta with characteristic is body is segmented consisting of the head, thorax, and abdomen, has 2 pairs of wings and 3 pairs of legs, reproduced by internal fertilizations and metamorphosis. Amphibia with characteristic experiencing a complete metamorphosis from larva to adults. Its habitat lives in 2 natures, water and land. Its skin structure is smooth, moist, contain mucous glands and toxin. Arthropods with characteristic is spiral-shaped shell or no shells, has large legs that are used to move. Some are classified as herbivores or carnivores, use readily to feed and breathe through gills or the surface of gills. In the sampling, we use the random sampling methods, where during the previous sampling on a specific date, we identified 11 species from various orders and families. Before conducting the sampling, we prepare several necessary tools, such as a sweep net, fish net, papillary paper, jar, and plastic bag. The sampling method we use is random sampling, which is a method of selecting samples from a population where every individual in the population has an equal chance of being chosen.
In the sampling activity, we count species with 6 different orders. There are 3 Squamata, 1 Ordonata, 1 Anura, 1 Stylomatophora, 2 Orthoptera, and 2 Lepidoptera. The first species to be found was the frog Asian common toad, or the scientific name Deuterphinus melanosticus, which was included in the order Anura and the family Bovonidae. The characteristic have rogue skin, have lumps all over the body, have brown-yellow black dorsal color, and the number of species found is 1 species. The second species is giant African land snail, or Lysicatina fulica, which was included in the order Stylomatophora and the family Acatinidae. The characteristic half shell is spiral-shaped, have slimy body surface, and the color of shell is brownish yellow with black stripes. The number of species found is 2 species. The third species is Chinese rice grasshopper, or Oxia sinensis, which was included in the order Orthoptera and the family Atrididae. The characteristic have long and narrow wings, the color body is green with brown stripes, and have long and narrow antennae. The number of species found is 1 species. Fourth species is eggfly butterfly, or Hypolimnes anomala, which was included in the order Lepidoptera and the family Nymphalidae. The characteristic have white and oval wings, have brown wings with the pattern variation, and have 4 legs as a characteristic of adult butterflies. Number of species found is 1 species. The fifth species is Eutropis multifasciata, or we can call cardinal lizard, which was included in the order Squamata and the family Scincidae. Characteristic is brownish striped green body with the tail long than the body, live in farm or garden. The number of species found is 1 species. The sixth species is grouse lizard with the scientific name Tachydramus sexlineatus, which was included in the order Squamata and the family Lacertidae. Characteristic slimy and long body color is brownish stripes green, live in grassland and edge of forest. The number of species found is 1 species. The seventh species is painted brushback tree snake with the scientific name Dendrolaphis pictus, which was included in the order Squamata and the family Colubridae. The characteristics are slender and elevated body, have long tail, primarily found in the forest and the urban garden. The number of species found is 1 species.
The eighth species is cabbage butterfly with the Latin name Cavolaya minore, which was included in the order Lepidoptera and the family Eridae. Characteristics are have a white wing with black petals, have slim and long antenna. The number of species found in 1 species. 9. Species is brown locust, Lotus tana perdalina, into the order Orthoptera and family Acrididae. The characteristic body length is 3-7 cm. Body color varies, have a narrow wing. The number of species found is 1 species. The last species is broad scarlet dragonfly, Latin name Crocotemis erythrae, into in order Ordonata and family Libedulidae. Characteristic have flattened and broad abdomen, length up to 44 mm. Found in ponds, lake, and garden. The number of species found is 1 species.
Then, we proceed to the next stage, namely the preservation stage. We shall now do 2 different types of preservation, wet preservation and dry preservation. However, we must first kill some insect and vertebrates by gently pressing on their thorax. Another method is use a killer bottle filled with chloroform. After that, we inject the animals with formalin in the thorax or in the abdomen to prevent decay in the animals. Then, the animals are ready to use as specimens.
The dry specimen technique can be used for arachnids and insects. At this stage, the specimen is placed on a styrofoam board and the animal's body position is arranged to resemble its natural posture. In the first step, we create a base for the insect wing using 2 pieces of styrofoam arranged like a trapezoidal block. And we pin the insect's thorax and place it between the 2 styrofoam pieces. Next, we split its wings at a 90-degree angle to the body and cover them with paper strips. This procedure is also applied to other specimens. For wet specimens, to reduce the amount of water in the specimen's tissue, the wet specimen is simply placed into a collection bottle filled with alcohol.
There are 3 types of labeling: sample labeling, identification labeling, and display labeling. Sample labeling is done during sample collection, where the label include the collector names, collection sequence number, date, and location coordinates. This label is attached to the animal leg or abdomen. Identification labeling provides additional details such as the local names, species name, collector, initial, date, and the location where the identification was conducted. Display labeling over that most comprehensive information, including the local name, scientific name, family, collection, and that habitat, number of specimen, collector code, and identifier code. These labels are printed and grouped together with other species for display purpose.
After the sampling activity in the rice field behind the research laboratory, we can conclude that we found 11 species from various orders and families using random sampling method. Species found include frogs, snails, grasshoppers, butterflies, and reptiles with their own characteristics. After sampling, the specimens were preserved with wet and dry methods using formalin to prevent decay. Mounting and labeling process are carried out to ensure proper identification. This activity enriched the understanding of species diversity in the rice fields and the importance of specimen collection and preservation technique.